Do you know why the traffic's backed up?
We saw it on the Channel 3 news.
Oh, we saw it on the news.
Yeah.
And we're in the news too, so we came to take a video.
Semi. What else?
Sort of.
It's always a semi. Such jerks.
Any fatalities or any?
No, I think he rolled over and tried to cross and was flushed.
So you guys don't think you're stuck here? You're just gonna? How are you gonna get home?
We're not stuck here. We're stranded.
Oh, you're stranded. So how are you gonna get home?
When they open the road.
Oh, they're not gonna let local traffic by?
Yeah, the old highway. That
Don't sound like it. They said they'll have the road cleared pretty soon.
Did you hear what the problem is?
What's that?
What's causing the holdup? Do you know?
Oh, how about over here?
Well, there was a semi across the road.
What made it go across the road?
I don't know. I haven't been there.
Oh, you haven't heard anything?
My daughter said that it was like a bridge clear across the road, and they let the school bus go up there, and the kids had to crawl under the truck to get to the other side, and then somebody picked them up on that side and took them home.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't think the old road would be a real good.
Wow.
She says it was so low that she's only this tall. She said she had to crawl. She couldn't stand up. She had to stoop down to get under it.
Oh, I bet you got all wet and muddy. Oh.